Hello, my people. Good day. How are you all doing? So, today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful ribbon flower like this one you see right here. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. Thank you. So, here we have the materials needed: a ribbon. You can use a small or a big ribbon, your thread, then your lighter. You're gonna use the lighter to fire the edges so they don't come loose. Then you're going to need your tape and your scissors, then your needle and some beads as embellishment. When you're done, make sure your needle can penetrate the beads of your choice. Then loose out your ribbon. Losing it out, I'm going to trim the edge here because it's a bit rough. I'm trimming it out. Then I'm going to take my tape and measure 2.5 inches because this is going to be a two-step ribbon flower. The first step is going to be 2.5 inches. Then when you measure, cut it out. Then use the first cut to cut out the remaining ones. Okay, so you're going to place that first cut on the ribbon and use it to cut it out. The rest, we are going to be cutting about 7 to 8 pieces. In this video, I think I cut 7 pieces, but I would advise that when you're doing this, you cut about 8 pieces if you want it to be full. Okay, so here you go. So guys, I'm done using lighter to melt the edges of the ribbon. You're going to fold each ribbon into two. Mind you, make sure the shiny part is outside, okay? The shiny part, which is the face, make sure it's outside. Fold it gently and use your needle and thread to run stitches, straight stitches on them. Make the stitches as tiny as possible so that by the time you're folding or you're tying them up, they would form really well. All right, just run stitches, fold all of them, run stitches through all of them one after another. Then when you're done, you arrange. See the way it looks here. When you're done arranges, trim your thread down a little bit, then squeeze them up, tighten them up. As you tighten them, you see them forming a beautiful rose already. After tightening them up, then tie it properly under the ribbon you have made, the flower you have made. Then you use your hands to arrange them. See how beautiful it has turned out. Then for the second step, we are going to be using 1.5 inches. So I'm cutting out 7 pieces of 1.5 length of ribbon here. Cut 7 pieces or 8 pieces out as your choice may be. Then when you're done cutting, light the edges with your lighter or your candle. Light the edges up so they don't come off loose. So here it is. I am done lighting them. Then you run the stitches on every ribbon. Make sure they are folded on the right side. So run stitches on them, straight stitches. Make sure the stitches are as tiny as possible, like the first one. Here you go again. Then you're going to squeeze them up, tighten them up, and tie your thread like so. Tie it. Make sure it's secure. Tie as many times as possible to secure your ribbon and use your hand to flatten and straighten them up. When you're done, place it on the first big ribbon and just look at how beautiful it's turning. Then knot the end of your thread, needle and thread, and start tack the both ribbons together, ensuring that they are properly positioned, centralized. Tag them together. Then I'm going to be using size 6 of pearls and gemstone, but first off I will tie my bead my gemstone on top of the small ribbon. All you have to do is put your needle through the hole each side of the gemstone and tack it to the ribbon as seen. Then bring out your thread on top of the small ribbon, pick up size 6 or size 4 size of pearls, depending on the type of bead you want to use. You can use any bead of your choice. Just stick them around the first gemstone that you have placed on your ribbon. Look at how beautiful our ribbon flower is turning out. And I'm putting the last bead on it. So when you're done, secure your thread. Here you go. This is the end result. I had to hasten up this tutorial so I don't waste much of your time. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It really encourage me to keep doing this over here. See you guys next time. Bye.